Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to run an expenses by vendor report in QuickBooks. This is a super useful feature if you want to quickly see how much you're spending with each of your vendors and get a clearer picture of where your money is going. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to generate the report, customize the time period, and use the insights to better manage your expenses. Let's get right into it. The first step is to head over to the Reports section. From your QuickBooks dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Reports. This is where all of your reporting tools live, and it's the starting point for finding any type of report you want to generate. Now, once you're on the Reports page, go up to the search bar at the top. Type in Expenses by Vendor. QuickBooks will then show you a list of related reports. From that list, choose the Expenses by Vendor Summary report. Once you've selected it, you'll be taken to the Report Setup screen. Here's where you'll want to set your date range. You can choose from options like this month, like last month, this year, or even create a custom date range if you want to look at a very specific period. For example, if you want to review vendor spending for the first quarter of the year, you can set those exact dates. After setting your date range, simply click on Run Report. And just like that, QuickBooks will generate your Expenses by Vendor Summary. Now let's talk about what you're actually seeing on the report. Each vendor you've paid during that period will show up as a row. Right next to their name, you'll see the total amount you've spent with them during the time frame you selected. This gives you a clear breakdown of your expenses organized by vendor. This report is incredibly valuable because it helps you answer important questions like, which vendors am I spending the most with? Is there a chance to negotiate better rates with high-cost vendors? Or are there opportunities to cut down on certain recurring expenses? In just a few clicks, you can see exactly where your money is going and make more informed decisions for your business. And that's it. Running an expenses by vendor report in QuickBooks is quick, easy, and can give you powerful insights to help manage your finances smarter. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.